So in this Wise app tutorial video, I will be showing you how to add money to your account by debit card here on the Wise app. So once the Wise app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and select Home. Once you're on the home page right here where it says Home, Send, Add Money, Upload, you guessed it, select Add Money. Once you're brought to this page right here, you can type in how much money you want to add to your account. So if you wanted to add 20 bucks, I will type in 20. Then right here, if you press done, it'll say paying in Canadian dollars, so you can change the currency if you want. I will leave it at Canadian dollars. But where it says paying with direct debit, go ahead and select change. Then once you're here, make sure that debit card is selected, so go ahead and select debit card. Once that is done, you can go to the bottom, you can browse the fees as well as how long it'll take, and if this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed that way. So that is how you guys can add money to your accounts by debit card here on the Wise app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.